Greetings, friends. Welcome to Medical Marrow. I am Dr. Vaidehi Singh here. In this video, we are going to talk about pregnancy and COVID 19, especially on risk of COVID 19 during pregnancy, risks to the pregnancy and to the baby, prenatal and postpartum care during the COVID 19 pandemic, breastfeeding if you have COVID 19, coping with stress, etc. But before starting the topic, I would request you to please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet and press the bell icon so that you would be updated about the channel's activities. Protect yourself and your family from COVID 19. Although there are currently no data showing that COVID 19 affects pregnant females differently than others, we do know that pregnant females are at greater risk of getting sick from other respiratory viruses than females who are not pregnant. Sometimes this causes adverse outcomes for the mother or child. Therefore, if a lady is pregnant, be mindful about reducing her risk of getting sick. Risk of COVID 19 during pregnancy. Based on what we know about COVID 19, we believe pregnant females appear to have the same risk of COVID 19 as adults. However, much remains unknown. But we do know that pregnant females have a higher risk of severe illnesses when infected with viruses that are similar to COVID 19 as well as other viral respiratory infections such as influenza. We also know that pregnant females have changes in their bodies that may increase their risk for some infections. Therefore, for a pregnant lady, it is always important to try to protect herself from illness whenever possible. Risks to the pregnancy and to the baby. Much is still unknown about the risk of COVID 19 to the pregnancy and to the baby. Mother to child transmission of COVID 19 during pregnancy is unlikely. However, after birth, a newborn can be infected after being in close contact with an infected person, including the baby's mother or other caregivers. A small number of babies have been tested positive for the virus shortly after birth, according to limited published reports. However, it is unknown if these babies got the virus before, during, or after birth. A small number of other problems, such as preterm birth, have been reported in babies born to mothers who tested positive for COVID 19 late in their pregnancy. However, we do not know if these problems were related to the virus or not. Prenatal and postpartum care during the COVID 19 pandemic. It is important to take care of yourself during pregnancy and your baby after birth. Do not skip your prenatal care appointments or postpartum appointments. If you are concerned about attending your appointments due to COVID 19, talk to your healthcare provider. Ask your healthcare provider how they are taking steps to separate healthy patients from those who might be sick. Some healthcare providers may choose to cancel or postpone some visits. Others may switch certain appointments to telemedicine visits, which are appointments over the phone or video. These decisions will be based on the circumstances in your community as well as your individual care plan. Call your healthcare provider if you have an urgent medical question. In case of emergency, call your local emergency department. They should have an infection prevention plan to protect you from getting COVID 19 if you need emergency care. Do not delay getting emergency care because of COVID 19. Vaccines during pregnancy and the COVID 19 pandemic. Although there is no vaccine available to protect against the virus that causes COVID 19, routine vaccines are an important part of protecting your health. Receiving some vaccines during pregnancy, such as the influenza, flu, and Tdap, that's tetanus plus diphtheria vaccines, can help protect you and your baby. So, if you are pregnant, you should continue to receive your recommended vaccines. Talk with your healthcare provider about visits for vaccines during pregnancy. Delivery locations during the COVID 19 pandemic. Delivering your baby is always safest under the supervision of trained healthcare professionals. If you have questions about the best place to deliver your baby, discuss them with your healthcare provider. Breastfeeding if you have COVID 19. Breast milk provides protection against many illnesses and is the best source of nutrition for most infants. You, along with your family and healthcare providers, should decide whether and how to start or continue breastfeeding. We still do not know for sure if mothers with COVID 19 can transfer the virus to babies through their breast milk, but the limited data available suggests that this is not likely. If you have COVID 19 and choose to breastfeed, wear a cloth face covering while breastfeeding and wash your hands before each feeding. If you have COVID 19 and choose to express breast milk, use a dedicated breast pump. Wear a cloth face covering during expression and wash your hands before touching any pump or bottle parts and before expressing breast milk. Follow recommendations for proper pump cleaning. After each use, cleaning all parts that come in contact with breast milk. If possible, expressed breast milk should be fed to the infant by a healthy caregiver who does not have COVID 19, is not at high risk for severe illness by COVID 19, and is living in the same house. Coping with stress. Pandemics can be stressful for everyone. Fear and anxiety about a disease can be overwhelming and cause strong emotions in both adults and children. Coping successfully with stress will make you, the people you care about, and your community stronger. Depression during and after pregnancy is common and can be treated. Postpartum depression is depression that happens after having a baby. If you think you may be experiencing depression, seek treatment from your healthcare provider as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button too. If you have any suggestions, questions, or anything to ask or say, please leave a comment below.